Hello and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car with me, James. As always, we are going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to go through major talking points and features of this incredible 320i M Sport Shadow Edition. It's presented in the black sapphire metallic, and alongside that we've also fitted the full YNC Mperformance body styling kit. And of course, being a Shadow Edition, it does come with some very nice optional extras, alongside also having some additions to that. Some additions to that, you'll see there behind the Shadow Edition 19-inch 704M alloys, the M Sport Plus brakes. That is thanks to this vehicle being equipped with BMW's superb M Sport Plus pack, and we will of course go over what's included in that shortly. At the front there, you'll see those Shadow Edition LED headlamps, along with our gloss black front splitter and kidney grills. It is a 2018 plate. Down the side, you'll see the sun protection glazing, and our YNC Mperformance decals and the gloss black sidebars, and of course is a very eye-catching and striking vehicle, thanks to being of course the 2018 and being finished in the black sapphire. In terms of the interior, again we've got the black Dakota leather, which comes in the front with the heated and the electric lumbar options. It comes equipped with that superb 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, again Harman Kardon thanks to the Plus pack, and that lovely high gloss black interior trim. Moving on to the rear seat arrangement, where we'll find the 3-seat Isofix rear bench, which is all in fantastic condition, as you can see there, and comes with a central folding armrest and your darkened M Sport headlining. Again, just showing you those 19-inch alloy wheels once again before we head round to the rear of the car, where again for the Shadow Edition we do get these lovely looking rear lights, which are all LED. We've also got a rear facing reversing camera on this car. Again, we're going to take a closer look at that very shortly. In the boot, where you'll find the very nice large luggage capacity, we've also got the split folding seat option for this car, which again further enhances that large boot area. Moving around towards the other side of the car, again I can show you just how nicely presented this 320i Shadow Edition M Sport saloon is. Thanks to the sun coming into the showroom, again you'll be able to see that the black sapphire really does have a nice amount of metallic flake into the paintwork, really allowing it to shine very nicely. Moving on, I'll quickly fold that rear seat down, just show you that in operation before I step inside to go over some more of the very special features we have equipped to the car. So once I'm sat down very comfortably, we're greeted first of all by the professional wide navigation and media screen, and we will of course run through a couple of the features of that. First of all, the map view. This is of course a facelift car, so of course we've also got the new facelifted iDrive screen and software. We've got real-time traffic updates to keep us on the fastest route possible. Heading back to the main menu, we've also got the Connected Drive Plus, again giving us all access to online search, news and weather apps, all powered via Google. And if we go down into our Bluetooth, we can see there we've got Bluetooth for telephone and of course audio. And in terms of multimedia, we get DAB and of course music collection and USB and AUX inputs. And as I mentioned, we've also got that very nice rear facing reversing camera, along with rear parking sensors for the car. And down here is where we find the dual climate control and of course our switches for the heated seats. So as well as that tremendous 2-litre turbocharged petrol engine, we also get the fantastic 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, along with cruise and speed limiter functions as well. So I do hope you've enjoyed this walk around video and of course found it useful. Hopefully it'll help you make an informed decision upon purchasing your next car. If you do require any further information, of course links can be found in the description below to both our website and direct contact details for us here at Your Next Car. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. We really do hope to see yourselves very soon here at Your Next Car. Do of course take care. Thank you. Goodbye.